So hey loves, and welcome back. So we're gonna get straight right into today's video, and this hair is from Alipearl. This is what it looks like. This is the bag that got sent to me, and as usual, you guys know that I love to do the unboxing. So this is a hair that we are going to be installing today. I'm gonna show you other accessories that were included in this box. Pair of 3D eyelashes. You have your edge brush HD cap, a mirror, branded elastic band, and lastly, let's not forget this drawstring bag. Right on to why we are here. This hair is their deep wave in 20 inches, and it is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and this is the bag that it did come with. Cap size is small, so I think on the website you can definitely choose the cap size that you want depending on the shape and size of your head as well. So I'm gonna take this out of the bag. Let me take this right off. Okay, so this is the length 20 inches, and we can see the beautiful deep wave curl patterns right here. And guys, this is what the frontal looks like.
I wanted to come up close so that we can really appreciate the knots on this frontal wig right here. And these are single knots. They come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and also pre-styled as well.
You get 2 combs on the sides as well. You also do have another comb at the back as well. Now you have this elastic band that is detachable, so you can already see that this wig comes pre-bleached, so you don't have to do a lot of customization. You can see how realistic the knots look against my skin. What I want to do right away is to kind of see what this looks like straight out of the box. I want to install this. I love how wigs nowadays are so secure. Like, this feels so snug on my head. I feel like I can't even move it. Personally, when it comes to wigs that have single knots, I tend not to pluck it or to do any customization because they are usually very fragile and delicate. So I like to leave it as is and be very delicate with how I'm installing, how I'm taking it out and all that. But yeah, look at it. It's already giving me like natural vibe without doing anything. So my only concern is the fact that I feel like I'm gonna have issues with my side right here because this is a small wig cap. This might be too small for my head, but I'm gonna try this out and see for myself. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. No melting, no glue, no spray, nothing whatsoever. This is the natural state. Now what I want to do is to try to match this to my skin, but also I want to do a little bit of styling. Use my hot comb to melt it down, maybe add a little bit of water, brush this out as well. Give it the best styling that this hair can, so you guys can see the full potential of this hair. I'm just gonna take this off and tint the lace a little bit. This in medium dark brown is, honestly, I want to say is like when I've done my makeup, it's my exact shade. To melt this down, so I'm gonna move this back. Okay, so I'm gonna melt this down using the melting band. I'm gonna let this melt for at least 2 to 5 minutes. While my lace is melting, I'm gonna use a little bit of my wax stick to help style this wig. Let's see. Or do a bit of a side part. I think I like this side, so let's do this side. Okay, this is definitely how I want to style it. So I'm just gonna make the parting a little bit more crisp. I'm gonna use my wax stick to help tame the hair. I'm gonna use this melting spray to further melt down my lace, and this one is from My Sticky Little Secret. Use a detailed brush to just apply this on my lace so that it further melts down. I feel like my hair is a bit too flat, so I want to give it a little bit of shape so that way it frames my face. Just a little bit of layering. So So I don't want to do a lot of cutting. I'm just going to brush this hair out so you guys can see what this hair looks like brushed out, and also what it looks like when I slick it down with only water. Look at this melt, guys. I feel like the hair is giving off a little bit of shine, so I'm going to use my contour powder just a little bit of it, just to mattify the lace a little bit to take away that shine. Just a little bit, and that has done the work. So this is what the hair looks like combed out. This is what the lace looks like. This is what the melt looks like. It looks so good. And this is the volume you get when you don't add water or add product. This is what it looks like naturally combed out. I'm gonna turn to the back as well so you can see what it looks like.
So we've already established that this hair looks gorgeous when it's combed out. I went ahead to use a little bit of water just to get back the curl pattern and to revive the curls, but also get that very sexy wet hair vibe. And guys, this hair did not fail. You guys can see the curls are coming back in. It is looking sexy because I'm getting that beautiful wet hair look. I'm just gonna head to just take out the excess hair because I did spray my hair with a lot of water. I'm also going in with my serum just to add a little bit of luster, shine, and to make the bounce even more, you know, bouncy and lush. So I'm just taming my hair, and guys, this is what the final look looks like. The hair is on fleek, the lace is well laid, it's bouncy, it's full, it's voluminous, it is sexy. This hair again is from Alipearl Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this gorgeous unit, Alipearl, and for working with me. Again, I will leave all the links in the description box in case you guys are interested. Be sure to check it out. But I want to know, how do you guys prefer this hairstyle? Do you prefer this wet hair look or this puffy hair look? Let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.